Today we are going to learn about the coordination chemistry. This part comes under 5th semester, BSc 3rd year. Coordination chemistry. So basically we are going to learn in a coordination chemistry. One is double salt, and second one is coordination compound. Or complex compound. This is also called complex compound. About 150 years before, the concept about the bonding in a inorganic material is not clear. So, in those days, what they did, when two salts combined, placed in a water, a mixture of two salts for example, ferrous sulfate, NH4. So salt of ferrous sulfate and the ammonium sulfate is used, which is placed in a beaker or container. What happens? The solution is entirely homogeneous. दोनों मिक्स हो जाएगा, वाटर में घुल जाएगा. So when we provide the heat, external heat, in this case क्या हो जाएगा? Water get slowly evaporated. At the end, the point at where you can find only solid compound in your hand. इथे शेवटी काय मिळणार हातामध्ये? फक्त सॉलिड मिळेल. So that solid is nothing but NH2O. So this is called ferrous ammonium sulfate. So we know that this is very important fertilizer which is used in agriculture purpose as a pesticide and the fertilizer. Balance the reaction just because SO4 is 2 minus and 6 water. So second example is the potash alum, salt of K2SO4 and Al2SO4. Al is 3 minus 3 into 2 6. SO4 is Al is 3 plus 3 into 2 6. SO4 is 3 minus 3 into 2 6. So when dissolved in a water, it will give the again the clear solution. At the end, it will use K2SO4, then Al2SO4 taken twice 24H2O. See, this is the second example. Now we are going to learn one more, which is different one. When nickel chloride, NiCl2, nickel chloride is treated with ammonia. Same procedure, both placed in a beaker. Then the entire solution become a homogeneous. In these three cases, the initial that is the physical difference is the both get dissolved in water and the solution is entirely homogeneous. We cannot distinguish the boundary between the solution. These are true solution. Again we are slowly heating, then the water get evaporated, and finally the compound get in hand is, see the difference, nickel hexammonium dichloride. This is the end compound. So see the difference. यहाँ पे क्या है, फेरस अमोनियम सल्फेट, एलम, then nickel hexamine dichloride. So in what is the difference between these two compared to first and second and third is that in this case the reaction of ammonia with nickel, chlorine is placed in a outside the bracket. In this case these are the ionic one, this also are entirely different one. See, then what is double salt? These also a molecular compound and which is having lattice parameter or lattice structure, definite structure. While coordination compound is also a molecular compound, but they may be or they may not be a lattice compound. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कि डबल सॉल्ट ये क्या है, क्रिस्टलाइन है, सॉलिड है, परफेक्ट, उसका ज्योमेट्री डेफिनाइट है. While in case of coordination chemistry, geometry is depend on the isomerism or arrangement of ligand around the central metal atom. So this is about the distinguishing factor. Both when dissolved in a water will dissolve, double salt and coordination compound will dissolve. But in case of double salt, this is double salt. When dissolved in a water, what happen? See, काय होते बघा इथे. It will shows Fe2 plus identification, SO4 negative ammonia. Yes, these are the certain things that can be analyzed in a solution. Means it completely disintegrate. हर एक का वो टेस्ट दिखाएगा. While in this case when it is dissolved in water, it will use identification of nickel hexammonium and Cl2. See, यहाँ पे तीनों दिखाएगा, सभी का टेस्ट दिखाएगा, पर in this case the taste of nickel hexammonium and chloride, it will not use nickel individually and ammonia. Ammonia का smell नहीं आएगा. That means this bond is entirely different. ये clearly indicate करता है कि ammonia strongly bound with the metal, whereas in this case you will get ammonia का smell आएगा, यहाँ पे SO4 का भी आपको identification आएगा और आयरन का identification दिखाएगा individually. So this is the basic difference between double salt and coordination compound. In coordination compound the bond is very strong, while in double salt the bond between ligand and metal is very strong, while in this case it is ionic, easily dissolved. See again, ये homogeneous solution create करता है. Again when we heat, then it will produce again same ferrous ammonium sulfate. While in this case when we put into water this solution or this coordination compound, it will dissolve, it also form a homogeneous mixture, but when we heat it up and water get evaporated entirely, at end the compound will not be retained. ये compound मिलेगा, इसकी guarantee नहीं है. This is the basic difference of between double salt and coordination compound. The example for double salt is ferrous ammonium sulfate, Lm, while in case of coordination compound nickel hexammonium dichloride. This is the key distinguishing factor between this double salt and coordination compound. Now we are going to learn about much more details about the coordination compound. So basically coordination compound is molecular compound. When they dissolve in water, it will not retain its identity, while in case of double salt it will shows the identification of all contents. डबल सॉल्ट में क्या होता है, वाटर में डालने के बाद वो आइडेंटिफिकेशन दिखाएगा सभी कंपोनेंट का, भाई इन दिस केस कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड वो एंटायरली सभी का नहीं दिखाता है। डबल सॉल्ट क्या होता है, आइडेंटिटी वाटर में ये होती है, कंप्लीटली स्मैश हो जाती है, चेंज हो जाती है उसकी, वो एंटायरली सेम नहीं रहता है। while in this compound coordination compound in water when we dissolve it will not shows the identification of all component but it will retain its identity. So in coordination compound we are going to know about, see the example, take the simple example nickel hexammonium dichloride. See, I can disintegrate this coordination compound. First I write nickel, then hexammonium, then this such kind of bracket is there, and then chlorine. See, first one is CMI, central metal atom, metal ion. CMI is called ligand. Third one is coordination sphere. Fourth one is complex ion. Then fifth one is coordination number. See, central metal ion. Central metal ion is the positively charged species which is present in a coordination sphere. Or central metal ion CMI is the positively metal ion which can be bound with the ligand. There are certain definitions, common definition for the central metal ion. देखिए ये CMI है यहाँ पे. Then ligand is negatively charged or neutral species which is directly attached with the central metal ion. Ligand is the negatively or neutral species which is directly attached with the central metal ion. Then coordination sphere. Coordination sphere is the bracket in which CMI, central metal ion, and ligand is placed. क्या किया जाता है coordination sphere में, CMI and ligand is placed. While complex ion, about complex ion, in this case see the nickel plus 2, then NH3 6 means 6 minus, total charge is 4 plus. This complex or the charges on the coordination sphere is called complex ion. Complex का मीनिंग क्या होता है, खींचकर, न समझ में आने वाला, इजीली अंडरस्टूड होने वाला. Coordination number, total number of ligand present in the coordination sphere which is bound to the CMI is called coordination number. In this case coordination number is 6. So we can take the example, various example quickly, so we can able to understand कि डिसइंटीग्रेट वेरियस इसमें कैसे किया जाता है. K2 Pt K2 platinum hexachloride, then is copper hexammonium NH3 dichloride. The next example is cobalt dichloride hexammonium sulfate SO4. Then the next is K2 dipotassium Fe oxalate C2O4 taken twice. Okay, see, अब हमें क्या करना है, इसको सभी जो एग्जांपल दिए है इसमें क्या करना है हमें, इनको वेरियस इसमें डिवाइड करना है कि कौन सा CMI है, CMI, then ligand, then complex ion, then coordination number, इसको डिवाइड करना है हमें वेरियस इसमें. See, in this case, first case, the CMI is nickel, then ligand is ammonia NH3, complex ion as I said nickel, hexammonium plus 4, it is the charge, and total number of ligand is 6. In second case, C, platinum. See, we have put the K2 before the coordination sphere just because we put the positively charged species which is present in the complex compound before the coordination sphere. Here is CMI, central metal ion is platinum. Then the ligand is chlorine, 6 chlorine. Then the complex ion is C, P, platinum. 2 plus बेसिक ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है इसका, 6 क्लोरीन है, तो क्या आता है 4 प्लस. टोटल नंबर ऑफ लिगैंड इज 6. देन नेक्स्ट इज कॉपर, देन ligand is ammonia. See, in this case the complex ion is copper having plus 2 oxidation state, then number of ligand is 6, NH3. So the oxidation number of this is the charge on the complex ion is 4 plus again. Then total number of ligand is 6. Then again cobalt, next case chlorine and ammonia. See, in this case 2 ligand is present in a coordination sphere. See, then complex ion is cobalt, डाइक्लोराइड, हेक्सामोनियम, टेट्रामोनियम. अब देखिए यहाँ पे +2 एंड +3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है, क्लोरीन 2 माइनस है, देन ये 1 माइनस इंटू 4, तो ये 4 माइनस 6 हो गया. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे +3 काउंट करेंगे, ये 6 मीन्स ये क्या आता है +3 चार्ज आएगा यहाँ पे. और टोटल नंबर ऑफ लिगेंड कितना है 2 + 4 = 6. एंड देन Fe, आयरन. यहाँ पे लिगेंड क्या है ऑक्सैलेट. ऑक्सैलेट इज bidentate, means bidentate. 3 into 2 = 6. So again the Fe, C2O2, sorry C2O4 taken thrice. सी यहाँ पे 3 into 2 -6, Fe का भी +2 है एंड +3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है. In this case we will consider +3. So the charge on the complex ion is +3. The total number of ligand is 6. Okay. If we consider in this case a 4 chlorine, K2 platinum tetrachloride, then the coordination number is 4. So this is about the coordination chemistry, double salt and coordination compound. So in coordination compound again we have learned about the CMI, central metal ion, then ligand, then the coordination sphere, complex ion, and then the coordination number. This such kind of question, or on this particular topic such kind of simple question will be asked in a examination.